গতকালকে ইচ্ছা ছিল যাওয়ার, ওর শরীরটা অসুস্থ হওয়ার পরে।
Can you play the back, Tabuchi? Tabuchi?
এদিকে অনেক লোক বসতে পারে।
Move the chair. This side.
এদিকে নিয়ে কোনটা? আচ্ছা নিয়ে আসেন। ওখানে ঠাকুরের ভোগ টোগ লাগান কিছু করে।
বাস এরকমটা
ওই চেয়ারটা কিনে নিয়ে আয় প্রেম
ওই চেয়ারটা নিয়ে
এই চেয়ারটা
ওই চেয়ারটা কোন থেকে
অনেকদিন পরে আপনার বাড়িতে এলাম তো নাকি?
সৌভাগ্য আমাদের কত আনন্দ হচ্ছে।
ঠিক আছে,
মনে হচ্ছে আপনি আসবেন বলে আমি হাতে জামাকে নিয়ে এসেছি, আপনি নিয়ে এসছেন। আমার এই মাসে আসার কথা ছিল না, আমি বলবো আসছে
কৃষ্ণ ব্যবস্থা হ্যাঁ কৃষ্ণ ব্যবস্থা করেন। Everybody sit down, huh?
শর্মিলাও বাড়ি নেই, মানে ওরা সবাই তো
আচ্ছা
এই মাত্র ফোন করেছিল মহারাজ জয়শ্রীও খুব খুশি, বলছি মহারাজ আসবে।
Do you want mic?
Huh?
Do you want microphone?
Okay, put it there. Did you sing any song or not?
We just arrived.
Oh, just
Yeah. 1 minute before you.
You come here by car or how did you come?
Yeah, Jayanti, she went to get milk and she dropped us here.
আর আপনি ভালো আছেন? অনেকগুলো আপনার সঙ্গে তোমার যোগাযোগ হয় না।
আপনার আশীর্বাদে
এখন কি করছেন?
আমি হচ্ছে যে কাজ করতেছিলাম ফুডশপে।
আচ্ছা
আমি হচ্ছে যে একটা পরীক্ষা দিতে হবে, 2টা টেস্ট এখানে মানে
ভিসা পেয়ে গেছে মহারাজ।
হ্যাঁ
ভিসা
আপনার
পেয়ে গেছে।
আশীর্বাদে
পেয়ে গেছেন?
হ্যাঁ ভিসা পেয়ে গেছে। তো
আপনার ডাক্তারি করছেন না?
পরীক্ষা দিতে হবে, আমার পরীক্ষা আছে নেক্সট মান্থে।
अच्छा
এখানে পরীক্ষা না দিলে
পরীক্ষা না দিলে হবে না?
অ্যাকসেপ্ট করে না
ঢুকতে পারবে না।
नहीं अपना बांग्लादेशे तो सर्टिफिकेट नहीं
বাংলাদেশের সার্টিফিকেট
अच्छा
যেটা একটু ঘুরিয়ে দিই।
হ্যাঁ বসুন এখানে একটু ওইটা নিয়ে না না বসুন আসেন নি বসুন বাংলাদেশ জান নাই অনেকদিন নাকি গিয়েছিলেন মাঝে
না যাওয়া হয়নি
জান নাই সেই থেকে জান নাই
না তারপরে যাওয়া হয়নি ইচ্ছা আছে হয়তো দেখি তিনি কি করেন ঠাকুর মশাই তার তো ইচ্ছা আপনাদের কি পা দেখা যাক
মহারাজ,
হ্যাঁ
আপনি শুরু করার আগে আমি একটা কথা বলবো না?
হ্যাঁ, বলুন, বলুন।
অনুরোধ আছে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
কাজে যেতে হবে, হ্যাঁ?
আপনার কাজে যেতে হবে কটার সময়
আমি মাস্টারমশাই স্কুলে যেতে হবে,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
দুটোই যেতে হবে।
দুটোর সময়
হ্যাঁ, তা আপনাকে একটু আমি প্রণাম করে একটু আশীর্বাদ নিয়ে
তো আপনি এখান দুটোর সময় থেকে চলে যাবেন তো না কটার সময় যাবেন এখান থেকে
কোয়ার্টার টু
কোয়ার্টার টু এখন অনেক
সময় আছে ফোনে
সময় আছে
হ্যাঁ, আপনাকে একটু আমি প্রণাম করে
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
আশীর্বাদটা একটু নিয়ে নিয়ে
ফোনে দিতে অনেক টাইম
সরি আমি আপনাকে এরকমভাবে বিরক্ত করছি, উপায় নেই।
এই পাশে বসে মুভমেন্ট করে
Mohammed wants to
Put in this side.
আসলে কি জানেন, আমি তো আগে জানতাম না, তাহলে
আচ্ছা,
এখন
হ্যাঁ,
স্কুলে
এবার-
পরীক্ষা হচ্ছে,
হ্যাঁ
প্ল্যান ছিল না, জিসিএসসি পরীক্ষা, আর আমি চেঞ্জ করতে পারলাম না।
না না না
যখন আমি শুনলাম
এই দিক দিয়ে যাও
এদিক এদিক হ্যাঁ এদিক
দেখা যাচ্ছে টেবিলের তলায় ওনার পা
দ্যাটস গুড আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে হ্যালো আচ্ছা ঠিক হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ जय श्री श्री गंधर्व गगधारी श्री श्री राधा बिहारी जी की जय जय श्री श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय नितला कृष्ण विश्वाभूत वेदांत सिलवान कृष्ण महाराज की जय वेदांत नारायण कृष्ण महाराज की जय भक्ति प्रज्ञान केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की भक्त्यंत प्रभुपाद के रूपान गुरुवर्ग की जय जय गो गौरी गोवर्धन श्री गिरिराज महाराज की जय राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड की जय श्री रूप मंजरी मंजरी अनुमंजरी बिलासन सुखविंद की जय हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय अमृत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय प्रेमानंदे अनुगमन प्रभु यू कम वंदेहं श्री गुरु श्रीयुत पदकमलं श्री गुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं सहगजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः विष्णुपादाय राधिकायै प्रियात्मने श्री श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त नारायणीति नामिने नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्री श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनीति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे नमामि विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्री श्रीमद्भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वती नामिने श्रीवासहान्वी देवी द्वैताय कृपावधै कृष्णसमन्वविज्ञान दायिने प्रभवे माधुर्यजलप्रेमाढ्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिर श्रीगौरकरुणाशक्ति विग्रहाय नमोस्तुते नमस्ते गुरुवान् श्रीमूर्तये दीनतारिणे श्रीरूपानुगविरुद्धापसिद्धान्तदन्तहारिणे नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षाद् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्बरतां देवी पादाम्बुजति नमो भक्तिविनोदाय सच्चिदानन्दनामिने गौरशक्ति स्वरूपाय रूपानुगदाय गौराविर्भावनिमित्त निर्दिष्ट सजनाप्रिय वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Where is my bag? Oi,
Oh, I put it over there.
Could have been.
I'm
There.
bringing. I'm bringing. One minute.
Behind.
Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Samudya
Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma
Bandha Muni Sabodha प्रसादे भाई ए भवतो दिया जाय प्रसादे भाई ए भवतो दिया जाय कृष्ण प्राप्ति होए जहाँ बैठे कृष्ण प्राप्ति पदमा बक चित्ते ते कोरिया प्रकाशित दिव्यज्ञानी दे प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होती अभिता विनाश जाति प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होती वेदे गाए जहाँ चरित वेदे गाए जहाँ चरित ओ वेदे गाए जहाँ चरित वेदे गाए जहाँ चरित हरि वेदे गान करे हरि वेदे गान करे गुरुदेवेर महिमा चारि वेदे गान करे गुरुदेवेर महिमा चारि वेदे ओ रूपे संयोजु अथर्वेदे चारि वेदे गान करे संयोजु अथर्वेदे चारि वेदे गान जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा ओ श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु अधम जनार बंधु श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु ओ श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु अधम जनार बंधु श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवन लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवन ओ गुरुदेव मोदेर जीवन गुरुदेव मोदेर जीवन ओ हा प्रभु कर दया दिय मोरे सब छाया ओ हा प्रभु कर दया दिय मोरे पद छाया तुआ पदे लयनु शरण तुआ पदे बोलो शरण नीलाम शरण नीलाम शरण नीलाम हमार गुरुदेवेर भय पदे शरण नीलाम गुरुदेवेर भय पदे शरण नीलाम जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरु जय गुरुदेव की जय 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 श्री राम जय जय श्री राम और वैष्णव ठाकुर का
वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर वेदा से करुणा
ओए वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर वेदा से करुणा कोरी
या पराचया शोधय आमारे
या पद छाया सुधरे आमारे
तुम्हारा चरण धरे
तुम्हार चरण गौरी এটা কীর্তন করো করো যা ভালো লাগে কোনটা করবেন গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে
গৌরাঙ্গ বলিতে হবে পুলক শরীর হরি হরি বলিতে না
কীর্তন করুন। হ্যাঁ আর ভালো তো ভজ হরি মন ভালো কীর্তন।
ভজ হুরে মন শ্রীনন্দনন্দন অভয় চরণারবিন্দ
বাজা হুরে মন बिहारी लाल की जय 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 श्री राधे। बहुत अच्छा, ভালো করে। হ্যাঁ? আর কীর্তন করবে কি হরিকথা হবে না কি করবে? হ্যাঁ? আর কীর্তন করবেন না? না হরিকথা হবে? হ্যাঁ? আপনি কীর্তন করবেন নাকি না? পারি না? আরে সব পারেন। হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা চলো হরিকথা বলো। 6 बजे उठा गंगा माता में प्रोग्राम है ना 6 o'clock।
Yes.
Non-stop.
हाँ
Non-stop.
non-stop हरिकथा। हाँ सुबह from morning to
Morning to night.
हाँ
Morning to night. From wake to sleep.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यां वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रा ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
जय श्री भक्तिवेदांत महाराज की जय, श्री गुरुदेव की जय।
So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees, and all Vaishnavis, and present all of my respectful guests. So we are very close to the appearance day of Raya Ramananda, Mahaprabhu's very nearest and dearest person, Raya Ramananda. So just in morning I also discuss about the glorification of Raya Ramananda, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled in South India, then he met with Rai Ramananda in Kovur on the bank of the river of Kaveri. And that time, Rai Ramananda Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked some question to him, or according to the question of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rai Ramananda, he gave very nice, beautiful answer. That is called the Rai Ramananda Samvad, the conversation between Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda. प्रभु कहे परश्लोक साध्य निर्णय राय कही स्वधर्म आचरण विष्णु भक्ति है. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Rai Ramananda, first you establish what is our goal, sadhana. Because if you practice to bhajan and sadhana, then you have to first to establish of your goal. Sadhana bina sadhu vastu prakti nahi hai. If you not practice, you cannot attain your perfection goal. Just you want to go where? Heaven, Sargaloka. So if you want to go Sargaloka, heavenly planet, so how will go to the heaven, Sargaloka? Take one flight. Huh? Sargaloka nahi ja sakta. You cannot go to the flight to Sarga with flight. Need what? Different activity that is called dana punna karma, charity, donation, helping the people, many kinds of good karma. According that the good karma, you may go to heaven, Sargaloka. Tetam bhukta sargalokam visalam chine pune mortalokam vishanti. But Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, if you attain to Sargaloka heaven, then again you return back in this material world. Because heaven is not our permanent place, temporary place. But you attain to the abode of Lord, Bhagavad Dham, again will not return back in this material world. Jadgatva no nivartante tadhamam paramam. Krishna says, one who attains my abode, again will not come back in this material world. That is called transcendental world, that is called Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura and Golok Vrindavan. So that means, I also mentioned, according our sadhana, we will attain our perfection goal. But first you establish your shraddha. So here, Chaitanya Rai Ramananda, he told, the Krishna karma arpan sarva saddha sar. Varnashram acharata vata purusena parapuman Vishnu aradhati panta nanat tattva karana. If you want to practice devotional service to Lord and start your spiritual life, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures, Varnashram dharma. Without following the Varna ashram dharma, you cannot develop your spiritual life. Animals, cats, dogs, birds, they are not following any Varnashram dharma. What do you mean Varna ashram? How many Varna? You know?
4.
4. Not 3. Not 3. 4. Ashram, how many ashram?
Also 4.
Also 4. And 4 Varna and 4 ashram. And 4 ashram, that is called Brahmachari, Grihastha, Banprasthi and Sannyasi. And that is called ashrama. And or Varna, caste, therefore also Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. But this Varna and ashram should be recognized with their qualification. And this thing. Chaturvarna mayasishtam guna karma vibhagasha. Krishna says to Arjuna, Chaturvarna, I manifested the 4 Varna and ashram according to their qualification. So for this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna very vividly explain the qualification of Varna and ashram. Then these are things also. And if you not follow the rules and regulations of varnashram dharma, then you cannot attain your perfection goal. Then Shruti Smriti Naradi Pancharatri Viding Vina Vaikantiki Harir Bhakti Utpadaki Kevala. Those who are not following the Shruti Smriti Shastra and Narad Pancharatra, they are thinking I am one-pointed. And Parma Bhajan Sadhan, his Bhajan Sadhan is called the disturbance Bhajan Sadhan. And he disturbs the society and is doing everything, bad things. And after his death, he have to go hell. Narak jana padta hai. So for this regard, very systematic way, explain this way. And Manu Samhita very clearly explain how to will follow the Varna and Ashram. You know Manu? Which Manu?
Yeah,
Brahma's son. And Manu and Satarupa. And if you read Srimad Bhagavatam, Brahma first he manifested his 4 sons from his mind, Manasputra, that is called 4 Kumaras, Sanak Sanandan, Sanatan and Sanat Kumar. Then he manifested also another Manasputra, Narad. Then finally he manifested the Manu. Manu and Satarupa. And for this regard, actually we are coming from Manu. For this regard we are called Manava. Manu Srik Praktarthi iti Manav. All we are coming in the dynasty of Manu. For this regard we are called Manav. Manav Jati. These things. And that time Manu, he also manifested a nice, what is called, constitution book. That the rules and regulation of the society. These things. That his name is called Manu Samhita. Everything very nicely. And everybody have to read Manu Samhita. Samhita means what? Samhita means law book. Samhita. Rules and regulations. And Manu, he manifested these Samhita law books. For this regard, this book's name is called Manu Samhita. In Manu Samhita very clearly explained and how we'll follow all the rules and regulations of the society, these things. And animals, they have no any rules and regulations. Just the eating, sleeping, defending and mating. But we are human beings, we are also doing the same thing also. Eating, sleeping, defending and mating, these things also. But external things is what? Perform bhajan and spirituality, paramartha. But for this regard, Manu also explained this way in his law book. Manu Samhita very clearly explained how Manav Jati, human being, and stay in his society and some rules and regulations. This systematic way. So here also Vishnu Puran quoted this verse, Varnashram acharavata purusena parapuman Vishnu aradhate pantha nanna tattusa karanam. Our aim and object, how Vishnu and Lord Vishnu, he will be pleased. This is our aim and object. Vishnu aradhate pantha nanna tattusa karanam. Tattosanam. Tosana means please. How Vishnu will please. This is our aim and object. So if we will follow the Varnashram Dharma, then Lord Vishnu will be pleased. This thing. But one thing, only follow the Varnashram Dharma, but not perform bhajan and sadhan. And that is also called useless. Chari Varnashrami jadi Krishna nahi bhaje, shasya karma korite sei raurave pori maje. Chaitanya Chaitamritam. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained. 4 varna and 4 ashrams. If not their perform bhajan sadhan to Krishna, just only focus towards following the rules and regulations of the society. After their death, they will go also hell. That is planned. So then, Chari Varnashrami jadi Krishna nahi bhaje. শস্য কর্ম করিতেছে রৌরবে পরিমজে রৌরব means one kinds of
Hellish planet.
hellish planet the Raurav understand Raurav means actual one kinds of very small insects and very poisonous and thousands and that insects and bite you and also eating all your flesh. That is called Raurav Narak. Understand? If you go to the Brazilian Amazon river, understand?
Forest.
I went there also. I saw Amazon river and Manaus Boavista there also. The Amazon river, the one river is the Amazon river is flowing there, and if your hand or body any cut and blood coming, a small fish will come very quick, and then once within a couple seconds they will be also
Eat your flesh.
eat all your flesh,
Body.
and you cannot come out from the water.
Piranha is there.
You cannot imagine how many small fish are there.
Piranhas.
Huh?
The name is piranha.
Piranha.
fish.
Very dangerous.
Ferocious. Very sharp teeth.
So in the same way, if you not do bhajan sadhan to Krishna, just following the only rules and regulations of Varnashram, then you after death, where will go? Raurav Narak. But Raurav means that is also one kinds of place and hellish planet. There are many kinds of insects are there. Raurav and small insects are there. They will eat and bite you and you finish. And because many people they are completely what? And moral atheist. And yesterday I also explained. And 5 types of human being, Manav Jati. And some they not following any rules and regulation of the society. They are called completely what? Nirissarvadi. Nirissarvadi means they have no faith about Lord. They have no faith and about spirituality. Nothing. Just they eating and mating and their life completely what? And animal's life. Not more than animal's life. You understand these things? Actually, this philosophy is coming from Charvak philosophy. You understand? Charvak? Charvak philosophy, they are rinam kritva ghitam pibit. Javat jivet tavat sukhet. Bhasibhuta adhyasa kuda punaragata. Completely atheist philosophy. But you have no money. You can take the, what is called? Rin le lo. Loan from someone. And no need to return back. No need. Even you have no need, you can also rob, thief, anyhow steal and collect money and enjoy the sense gratification. Why? Because after your death, you will not come back. This is the first and last birth. This philosophy there. And these things. So saying, because your body will be burned in the fire, become transferred in ashes. So nothing. So it is better you enjoy as much as you like.
Eat, sleep and be merry. Eat, sleep and be merry.
Eat, sleep
and be merry.
These things. Eat or sleep, both.
Yeah. And be merry.
Be merry. Anand sab karo. We are saying drink and be merry. जितना पारो उतना ही पी लो. पित्वा जावत पित्वा जावत न patitam tavat pitva. Meaning you have to drink until lay down on the ground. अरे कब तक पीते रहोगे? वे शराब कब तक पियोगे? फिर जब तक तुम खड़े नहीं हो जाओ. और जब खड़े हो जाओगे पीना तो बंद हो जाएगा.
Drink till you drop.
But our Shastra saying no. You have to follow the rules and regulations, scriptures. Then second types of human being, याद है?
Moral atheist.
Moral atheist. They follow the rules and regulations of the society, but they have no faith about Paramartha spirituality. Actually, that types of people is also, they will go Narak. So, first category will go Narak because completely atheist. Second category, they follow the rules and regulations of the society. Moral atheist. So for the moral atheist people also go hell. Because they are not doing bhajan sadhana. Jo esam purusam no bhajanti stha no bhajanti abhajanti sthanat patanti adho. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence also. So now coming in this way, but you have to follow the rules and regulations of the Varnashram Dharma. Actually, when Manav Jivan is coming, when all the human being, life is start, that is called moral theist. That is called Manav Jivan, human life. Yesterday I told you. You wrote?
Yes.
I
took a photograph.
You understand? Moral theist. That means they follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures and faith about God. That is called moral theist. That is called the perfect Manushya Jivan.
The beginning of Manushya.
So now coming in this way, but only here the Rayaraman is saying Varnashram Acharavata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nana Tatu Sukarana. Follow the Varnashram Dharma and worship to Lord Vishnu. This is very important. Sometimes I tell you one very nice, beautiful story. Once, one Brahmachari, he followed the Brahmacharya Jivan, rules and regulations of the Brahmachari. Then he left his house. Then he performed hard austerities. Maybe 30 years he performed hard austerities. Just he stood up on his toenails and raised one hand. Many years, maybe 30 years. And as like a tree. And with what is called dead logs coming. Then birds are thinking maybe this is one.
Tree. Tree.
Yes, suka dead,
Dry
tree. So that the birds, they also build the nest in his jata. This thing. And if you're not moving, there's no reason, birds are thinking maybe this is one. Tree. But Brahmachari is standing in this way after 30 years. Then one day, one bird just flying and over the tree and try to enter in his nest. Then in the meantime, the bird, he also got, क्या कर दे?
Chirping.
नहीं वो कर दिया, माने पिट कर दिया, pushing the stool. Understand? Then the stool coming in the mouth of the Brahmachari. Then Brahmachari become very angry. Understand? Just he opened his eyes, red eyes, then fire coming. Then the bird burned in the fire. So this, how he got these types of mystic power. Because he followed the rules and regulations of Brahmacharya. Our Shastra explains, if you follow the rules and regulations of the society, Varnashram Dharma, automatically you will get many kinds of mystic power will come. This is true. If you 10 years, if you not tell lie, after 10 years what will speak, that will be truth. 10 साल को यदि कोई झूठ नहीं बोले, और 10 साल के बाद जो बोलोगे वही फल हो जाए, सत्य दो. Do you understand? 10 years, just you follow the rules. You never tell lie. सच बोलना चाहिए. इसलिए वेद saying, सत्यम वदो. सत्यम But always speak the truth. If you speak the truth 10 years, not many years, then what will speak? That is will
Come true.
come true. झूठ बोल देते हैं ना, झूठ बोलना नहीं चाहिए. You should not tell lie. So I am telling because that brahmachari, he followed the rules and regulation. Varnashram dharma brahmacharya. So for this regard, he got these types of mystic power. Then he burned the fire. Burned the
Bird to
bird
ashes.
to ashes. Then brahmachari is thinking, oh, and I am powerful person. Then he left that place and come in one householder, and he knocked the door. Vikchang Dehi, give me some alms. 1, 2, 3, very angry. 1, 2 times, nobody coming out. Then one chaste lady, she came out and opened the door. Told her brahmachari, please wait, just couple seconds. Couple seconds. But that chaste lady, she very humble, told, listen, my husband is sleeping. Just I served my husband. Only 2 minutes. You wait, then I will give some donation to you. Bhikshadani. Then brahmachari become very angry. Think, I don't want wait in your house. Then he opened his eyes, red eyes, and tried to burn to her. But fire not coming. Before fire coming or not? The bird
Bird to ashes.
and burn in ashes. And now brahmachari, he opened his eyes, but fire was not coming. But that lady, that chaste lady, she told, I am not the bird. मैं पक्षी नहीं हूँ, तुम मुझे जला दोगे. I am not
The bird you
the bird. You
burnt
burn.
to ashes.
Then brahmachari became very surprised. How did you know? And this is true also. I burned the bird with my fire,
Mystic power.
mystic power. But my no mystic power is not coming. Why? Then brahmachari, he left that place. Then he came one marketplace. And and that person, he was dealing his business, giving some thing to his, what is called, kharidar, his
Customer.
Then brahmachari came, Vikchang Dehi. Then businessman told, please wait, brahmachari, I have to give you, this is my dharma also. You are brahmachari, or I am a householder, and so I have dharma, I have to give to you. But just couple minutes, wait couple minutes. But this customer will go, then I will give you. But brahmachari become very angry. No, give to now. Then again brahmachari opened his eyes and tried to burn to
Shopkeeper.
but no, again no,
Nothing working.
nothing working. And that shopkeeper, businessman, he told, I am not the bird you burned to me. Then brahmachari became very surprised. How did he know? How did? कैसे जाना? और क्यों आग क्यों निकालते क्यों नहीं?
My fire is not coming out from my eyes.
Why? The fire not coming out from his eyes. Then again he also came in the first place and asked the chaste lady, tell to me, how did you know? Yeah, I burned one bird and with my
Mystic power.
mystic power, why not coming? That time she told, actually you become very angry, then you lost your mystic power. So how did you know? कैसे हो जाना? मतलब आप कैसे जाना? How did you know? She told, also I follow the Varnashram Dharma. For this Varnashram Dharma, I got this mystic power. I saw to you, then I realized. ऐसा है? कोई वर्णाश्रम धर्म पालन करे तो उसके भी ये भी प्रतीत हो जाता है, हैं? समझ में? If you follow the varnashram dharma, then you got this types of also mystic power. So the chaste lady she told, according my varnashram dharma, following the varnashram dharma, I realized these things. Then again he came and to that the shopkeeper. Well, how did you know? He told, and I am performing, dealing my business, and with perfect way. I am not cheating to people. For this regard, I got this mystic power. This mystic power I know. And you burn the bird. This thing. And you become very angry. For this regard, you lost your mystic power. So that means, just I tell to you, if anybody follow the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, automatically get the many kinds of mystic power will come. What we say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told one story also. If you follow the Varnashram Dharma, then you can stop the movement of the
planet.
sun god. Give an example. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this katha, there is a Kushta Vipra katha. What katha? Kushta Vipra. The one leprosy person, leprosy Brahmana, there is a Kushta Vipra. So much leprosy in his body. He cannot walk, do anything. But his wife, very chaste lady, she was one pointed with her husband. Chaste lady. One day, her husband told to her, listen, I want to meet with one prostitute who lived other side of the river. So could you carry to me? Then chaste lady said, okay, I have to follow your instruction and fulfill your desire. What you want, I have to do it. So night time, the chaste lady Brahmani, she took and her husband body on her shoulder. Night time, completely dark night. It's like new moon, dark night. When she was going on the way, in the one sadhu, Mandava Rishi, he was sitting and on the tip of the
Needle, pin, spear.
right, spear.
Spear.
And understand this. But that time was very completely dark. No one can see anything. When she was carrying her husband and body, leprosy body, but accidentally her husband body touched the Mandava Rishi's body. Then Mandava Rishi's body completely what? Contaminated with the leprosy. Some parts of the thing. At the same time, Mandava Rishi, he waked up from his meditation. Thanks you. And Mandava Rishi saw his cloth, his body completely what? Contaminated with
Pus.
pus.
Magic. Insect tail. Okay.
Yeah. अच्छा ये कहाँ से आ गया? वो फूल से हैं?
Still there. Caterpillar. Small caterpillar. Deep outside.
सुनो. Then Mandava Rishi, he became very angry. Then Mandava Rishi, he gave curse. One who contaminated this body with this pus. And When sunrise, he will be die. सूर्य उदय होने के साथ ही साथ वो मर जाएगा। जिन्होंने मेरे शरीर को जो है दूषित कर दिया कंटेनमेंट में। When heard this curse, that Brahmani, she also declared, if I am chaste lady, one pointed with my husband, sun will not rise. सूर्य उदय नहीं होगा। Look, how is powerful. How is powerful? Chaste lady. She stopped the movement of the sun. Time is over, but sun does not rise. Movement, nothing. Look this. Then Brahma, all devatas, they are afraid what to do. If sun will not rise, the people cannot do anything. Especially Muni Rishis, they cannot perform fire sacrifice. Or if Muni Rishis, they are not can perform fire sacrifice, devatas, they will not get any kinds of food. Actually, all demigod is, they are eating everything. So when Muni Rishis, they are performing the Jagna. Understand? जब साधु जब यज्ञ आदि करते, यज्ञ में आहुति देते हैं, बोले वही आहुति के फल कौन खाता है? देवता लोग। देवता के नाम पर दिया जाता है। ये भी वेद में लिखा है। देवता लोग हैं। So now coming in this way, so all devatas, they are hungry. How will get the food? How to maintain our life? How to do? Then all that demigod is headed by Brahma. Come to Lord Vishnu. Hey Vishnu, please you protect to us. Otherwise, the creation will be destroyed. Then Lord Vishnu, he came. Then Lord Vishnu told to chaste lady, you have to return back your vow. Take back your vow. But chaste lady should know, if I take my vow, so what is the meaning of my chastity? Then Lord Vishnu told, hey Brahmani, listen, sun will rise, then your husband will die. This is true. Because Sadhu Mandava Rishi gave curse. But according to my mystic power, I am Bhagavan, I am Vishnu. Then, when will sun rise, your husband will die. But according to my vision, Kripadishti, merciful glance, your husband will again alive and get the new body, not leprosy body. Then chaste lady, she took back her vow. Then sun rises. He left his body, but upon the mercy of Lord Vishnu, he got his new body. You understand this? So that means in this story very clearly explains that if you follow the Varnashram Dharma, just Varnashram Dharma, also you can get this type of mystic power. You can stop the movement of the sun. Look this thing, Varnashram Dharma is powerful. But the question is coming, okay, her husband got the new body, this is true. But her husband died or not? Again. After 100 years, died not. So what the benefit did she get? क्या उनके मिला क्या चीज? What did she get?
Temporary happiness.
Temporary happiness. Actually, when you deeply analyze, this is also useless. For this regard, Shastra saying, चारी वर्णाश्रमी यदि कृष्ण नहीं भजे सस्ता कर्म करते से रो रो पड़ी मजे. Just to follow the Varnashram Dharma, you will get this mystic power. This is true. But what benefit will you get? Nothing. For this to know, you have to perform bhajan and sadhana. You follow Varnashram Dharma and perform bhajan sadhana to Lord Krishna. So now coming this is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Rai Ramananda. And then Rai Ramananda explained the Varnashram Acharata Purusena Parapuman Vishnu Aradhate Pantha Nanna Tattvase Tattvasa Karana. Vishnu will be pleased. This is true. But if you follow the Varnashram Dharma and Vishnu will be pleased, and then Vishnu give to you, just the material things you will get. Not other things. Mahaprabhu told, this is external. This is external. Why? Actually, Mahaprabhu want to know about Jiva Sarpananda Vritti. Sarupa Anubandhi Vritti, but spontaneous consistent nature of the living entities. Jiva Sarupa Anubandhi Vritti, spontaneous nature of the Jivas. What is the spontaneous nature of the Jiva? To serve to Krishna. Jiva Sarup Hoy Krishna Netadas. Understand? If you not to serve to Krishna, they are the useless also. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also says, what is called? Sarva dharman parityajya mamikam saranam vrijo aham tam sarpabhyo mokshami mahasucha. If you think I will not follow all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, then all kinds of sinful activity will come. But Krishna, what did he say? Don't worry.
I will protect you.
I will protect you. I will protect you. Because I am Bhagavan. I am the creator. Who is the creator of Varnashram Dharma?
Krishna.
Krishna. Bhagavad Gita will say, Chaturvarna Maya system. Chaturvarna Maya system, Guna Karma Vibhagas. Sarva Dharma Tag. So it is Raike Karma Arpan. First you offer all kinds of fruit of karma to me. Then you will not suffer any kinds of sinful activities. Karma arpan. Jat kursi, jat jasi, jadasi, jat. Jat tapasi kante tat kursa mad arpan. What you will do? All the fruits you offer to me. That is called karma arpan. But Mahaprabhu is not happy. Mahaprabhu told also, it is external. Then Rai Ramananda was Sarva Dharma Tag, Swadharma Tag. You give up the rules and regulations of your dharma. But Bhagavad Gita, what did he say? Swadharme nidhanangsya paro dharma bhayavaha. Swadharme nidhanangsya. Maybe you will die to follow the rules and regulations of your own dharma. Don't accept others' dharma. Swadharme nidhanangsya paro dharma bhayavaha. Bhayavaha, understand? Very careful.
Terrified.
Terrified. Everybody should be pointed this way. Swadharme nidhanangsya paro dharma bhayavaha. So what is meaning of swadharma? What is the paradharma? Because here is saying, Krishna says, Swadharme nidhanam sreya. May will die to follow the rules and regulations of your own dharma. But don't accept
Don't follow others' dharma.
others' dharma. Paradharma. So what is the Swadharma? What is the Paradharma? This is very important also. Actually, try to understand. You are brahmachari, you have to follow the brahmacharya dharma. You are grihastha, follow the grihastha dharma. You banprastha, sannyasa dharma. But if you not acquire the qualification of sannyas, or you give up your brahmacharya and take the sannyas, paradharma, then what happens? You will fall down. Do you understand?
Yeah, stumble.
Somehow
it will not work out. Yeah.
Here's some that's
यदि आप ब्रह्मचारी जीवन पालन कर रहे हैं, ब्रह्मचारी जीवन के श्रेष्ठ क्या है?
sannyas.
Sannyas. You think I will take sannyas, but if you not
Fulfill
acquired the qualified to take sannyas, then what happened?
You will fall down.
You will fall down.
Yeah.
Huh? You have to first
Be qualified to
qualified. If you're not qualified, then big problem will come. Therefore, this swadharme nidhanam sriya parodharma bhayava. Eh? You have to follow this way. So for the step by step you can walk, then you will attain your perfection. Brahmacharya, grihastha, banprasthi, then sannyas. Or if you jumped brahmachari to sannyas, but you have no qualification, then punah musika bhava, then you again will become
mouse.
mouse. Eh? This is also another thing. Eh? This is important also. Then everybody have to walk step by step to the best. For the Bhagavad Gita says, Sadharme nidhanam sreya paro dharmo bhayavaha. So, sadharma tag. Aggavi gunan dosan maya dishtano sokan dharmana samstajya sarvan mang bhajet sattamam. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto. Krishna told to Uddhav. Aggavi gunan dosan. You have to follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures which mentioned in Shastra. What is good and what is bad. Then gunan dosan. Gunan dosan means gun and dosh. What is the gun? Good qualities. Or is the defects? You have to justify yourself. Though I explain in the Shastra, you have to justify yourself. What is good and what is bad. Just to close your eyes, you should not walk. आँख बंद करके मत चलो. भगवान ने आँख दिया कि नहीं दिया? You have to open your eyes. You think, no problem.
Justify what you mean by justify yourself?
What is good, what is bad? You justify yourself. Discriminate. How to do this? How to do this? What is good, what is bad? Krishna says also many slokas to Arjuna. Everything mentioned in Shastra. But you can do what is good, what is bad for you. You decide. Tasma Shastra Pramanam Te Karjo Okarjo Vyavastito. Tasma Shastra, I gave many evidence Praman in scriptures. Tasma Shastra Praman Te Karjo Okarjo Vyavastito. Karjo, good, and Okarjo. What is not, do what is good. Then which karma will do, which karma will not do. Everything I explained. You are not inert. आप जड़ नहीं है, बुद्धो नहीं है. I gave you also
intelligent.
Discrimination power, intelligence. You are not animals. So you discriminate what is good and what is bad. Tasma Shastra Pramanam Te Karjo Okarjo Vyavastito. Everything I have explained in the scripture. समझ गए? भगवान ने बुद्धि दिया कि नहीं दिया? So you have to understand yourself, what do, what not to do. So according to the Shastra, I also explain about dharma. Dharma means is what? Which dharma you will follow or which dharma you will not follow. Just give an example. Follow the rules of the society. That is called never tell a lie. Always speak the truth. This dharma. But this dharma, sometimes you should not follow according to the circumstance. Always speak the truth. But some circumstance you should not
Speak the truth.
speak the truth.
Tell a lie.
Save life. Yeah.
Is it true? And just give an example. And one butcher, he was chasing behind the
Cow.
cow. then cow running here and there. You saw the cow is going this direction. The butcher asked you,
Ways.
where's my cow? Have you seen? What did he say? Yes, I saw cow. So cow. But where is that? They're going opposite direction. So though you tell lie, actually this is called also dharma. Because you saved the life of the cow. Look this. But if you think, no, I will not tell lie. As like Yudhishthira Maharaj. Krishna told Yudhishthira, you uttered my verse. Aswathama rane hato. Aswathama killed in the battlefield. But Yudhishthira Maharaj thinking, I am looking. Aswathama still alive. You know Aswathama? The son of Dronacharya. But Aswathama, Yudhishthira Maharaj thinking, no, I never tell lie. Satyavadi. Always I speak truth. So how possible I will say? I am looking. Aswathama, the son of Dronacharya. Still alive I am looking. Even I know Aswathama, he will not die in the battlefield. Aswathama कैसे बढ़ता वो युद्ध क्षेत्र में वो मर गया नहीं उसके 4 युग तक वो जीवित रहेगा. Aswathama, he got this benediction 4 yugas he will alive. And अभी तक भी अश्वत्थामा जीवित है. महाभारत युद्ध समाप्त हो गया किंतु अश्वत्थामा अभी तक still alive. Still he alive. So Yudhishthira Maharaj think how possible it to lie. So Yudhishthira Maharaj he did not utter the verse Aswathama rane hato. Then Krishna told to Bhim, hey Bhim, you killed this elephant. That elephant name was also Aswathama. Look at him without hesitation. He killed the elephant, Aswathama. Then Krishna told Yudhishthira, now you tell. Because Dronacharya is thinking, if Yudhishthira Maharaj will tell that my son Aswathama left body in the battlefield, then I faith, I will believe. Otherwise no. Then Krishna told to Bhim, you killed this elephant. His name is Aswathama. Then Krishna told Yudhishthira, you can now, you utter Aswathama rane hato. Then Yudhishthira Maharaj, what did he say? Aswathama rane hato. Manavar kunjara. Then Krishna blew the conch. And he did not say Manav. Even he did not listen. He did not hear. And he listened?
Kunjar.
No. Kunjar Sabda, he did not listen Kunjar. Kunjar means Hati. He is saying Aswathama rane hato. Manava Kunjara. But Aswathama rane hato, he listened this thing. Who? Dronacharya. Or rane hato, the Kunjara or Manava, this word he did not listen. And then Dronacharya, he stopped to fight. Then he stunned. My son left body. How possible? Then Draupadi's brother, Dhrishtadyumna, he came and cut his head. Understand? In this way, Dronacharya, he left his body in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So now actually conclusion is coming. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he was is called the Satyavadi, always speak the truth. But in this circumstance, he did not follow the instruction of Krishna. For this regard, Mahabharata explained, also for this regard, Yudhishthira Maharaj, he went in the Narak Darshan. This is also explained. Because he did not follow the instruction of Krishna. युधिष्ठिर महाराज के एक दिन के लिए उसको नरक दर्शन करना पड़ा. क्यों? उन्हें कृष्ण के आदेश पालन नहीं किया. बोले धर्म अधर्म किसे उसकी तो मैं ही बताता हूँ. मद निमित्तं कृतं पापम धर्मा परिकल्पते और मत्तत्व अधर्मं परिकल्पते. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ धर्म एंड अधर्म. व्हाट इज धर्म? मद निमित्तं कृतं पापम. इफ एनीबॉडी कमिट sinful activity for me, that is called dharma. Or mat tattva, giving up to me and following all the rules and regulations of society, that is called adharma. This is the definition of dharma and adharma. Madnimittam kritam papam dharmaya परिकल्पते और मत्तत्व मुझे छोड़ दिया और सब कुछ पालन कर रहे, नियम पालन कर रहे हैं. There is also adharma. समझ में क्या बोला? बोलो.
Those people who follow the rules and regulations but do not worship Krishna are performing sinful actions. But those persons who are performing sinful actions in the order of Krishna are actually following Dharma.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी अच्छा आरती करो. Good.
Krishna Bhaktivinoda Maharaj ki jai, Shri Gurudev ki jai.
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ খুব সুন্দর ক্লাস। আমি তো মহারাজ অন্যদিকে চলে গেছিলাম।
অন্যদিকে চলে গেছেন? কোথা দিকে চলে গেলেন?
মানে আপনি আমাকে অন্য জগতে নিয়ে গিয়েছেন। সো হ্যাপি।
अभिसंग कृष्ण नाम. अच्छा आरती करें. जसोमती नंदन यशोमती नंदन ब्रजवरनागर गोकुल रंजन धारी श्री भक्तिवेदांत श्रील महाराज की भक्तिवेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज भक्ति प्रकाश केसरी गोपाल भगवान पूर्व की जय हरिराम संकीर्तन की जय गौर प्रेमानंद ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवाय प्रियावै केशवस्य च विष्णु भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्वस्ते नमो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो गौर प्रेमानंद ओके गुड আপনি কোথায় থাকেন
17
এখানে থাকেন
You know how to do?